Hi everyone, today in this video we'll see how you can pay your credit card bill using new HDFC mobile app. So let's get started. As you can see the interface of new mobile app. So I have set up the quick access pin to log in. So if you want to do that, check out the video on the right top. So now I wish to pay the credit card bill. So in this new app we have a menu feature, and if we click on home we can easily come scroll down to see the due bills. So I have a credit card bill to be paid on coming days, so that is listed here down. So I'll just click on the pay button, and now it will show me all the options available to the minimum amount, total amount, and other amount which I can pay, and I can click on continue. So this way you can easily navigate to the credit card bill payment on this new mobile app. This is a very convenient feature. It is available on our home screen, and whenever we log in we'll be intimate, it will be like a reminder for us that we have a bill to be paid in the coming days. This is very good feature as per my knowledge, because we won't miss a bill when we are reminded about that frequently. And as we regularly log into the app at least once in a week, we'll be having a reminder that the credit card bill has to be paid. So by clicking on continue, and I can proceed with the payment, the other options will be more or less the same, and you can see the savings account is listed. So the from account will be my savings account selected by default, and the amount to pay, I have an option to select like minimum amount, total amount, and other amount. In the other I can select any random amount, and I can proceed with the payment. So clicking on continue would proceed with the payment. So this way you can do your credit card payment on using the new HDFC mobile banking app. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any tech or money related queries, let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you with by making a video on that topic. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a fantastic day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason.